It's time for another episode of Tips and Tricks with Air Experts. Gas leaks can be dangerous, so it's important to know how to recognize them. Here's a few things you can do on your own. Gas leak detectors are easy to install and can alert you immediately to any leaks in your home. When in doubt, trust your senses. Smell for a rotten egg odor, a clear warning sign. Listen for blowing or hissing sounds near gas lines. Look for bubbling water outside or new stains on your walls. These are all potential signs of a gas leak. Gas leaks can affect your body quickly. Watch for physical symptoms like dizziness, nausea, fatigue, headaches, or chest pain. Prolonged exposure can lead to confusion or even loss of consciousness. If you notice any of these signs, act fast, leave the area immediately, and call for help. Avoid using electronics or lighting flames. Gas leaks are serious, so stay alert and stay safe. We thought you'd like to know.